Hi, in this video, we're going to learn number 14, rolling along. It's on page 6. The first thing that I'd like you to do is make sure you have your pencil like we talked about at the very beginning, and I'd like you to number your measures, okay? You can also write your note names in now if you need to as well, but take a minute, pause the video, and number your measures. So what I mean by that is if you look at the first measure, remember a measure is the space between two bar lines, right? So you have 1, and then 2, and then the next bar line 3, and so on. And there's 8 total because this one has 2 lines because there's no double bar at the end of this line, right? So pause the video and number your measures so that it'll be less confusing when we talk about the different parts. Got it? Okay. In this song, you're going to use 4 of your 5 notes, okay? And you can find all of these on your the notes and review at the very top of the book, or the very top of the page here. So the first one is E. Here we go. D and C. And then the last one is the G, which is the other open position. So the first thing that we want to look at is when we're learning music, a lot of times we can find patterns of repeated sections within the music, okay? So look at measures 1 and 2. Where else in the song can you find the same music as measures 1 and 2? 5 and 6. So what we're going to do is we're first going to learn measures 1 and 2, and by default, we'll have learned measures 5 and 6. And that way we already know half the song. So cool. So we're going to break this song down into 3 different parts, and then we'll put it back together, okay? Let's clap and count just measures 1 and 2, and technically also measures 5 and 6, correct, of rolling along. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. Remember that while you're doing this, you can look at both measures 1 and 2 and 5 and 6, and it has the same rhythm. So practicing it one time is going to make you be able to play it for both the first 2 measures and the 5th and 6th measure. Let's say our note names for the first 2 measures of number 14. This will also be the same note names for measures 5 and 6 as well. 1, 2, ready, go. E, D, C, D, E, 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 rest. Measures 1 and 2 of number 14. 1, 2, ready. Let's clap and count measures 3 and 4. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. Let's say our note names for measures 3 and 4. 1, 2, ready, go. D, 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 rest. E, G, G, rest. Measures 3 and 4 of number 14. 1, 2, ready. Let's clap and count measures 7 and 8. Remember, you already learned measure 5 and 6 when we did measures 1 and 2. Here we go. 1, 2, clap and count, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, rest, rest, rest. Let's say our note names for measures 7 and 8. 1, 2, ready, go. D, D, E, D, C. rest, rest, rest. Measure 7 and 8 of number 14. 1, 2, ready. Let's put it all together and play number 14, rolling along. 1, 2, ready.